Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about memory management in Python. Today we will cover installation of Python 3.12.4. So let's get started. So for the installation of Python, come to your browser and type download Python. The first link which appears, click onto that link. Here you can see the icon for download Python 3.12.4. It is available for Windows, Linux and Mac. So currently we are doing it for Windows. Click on this to download Python. It gets downloaded. So I'm going to the download folder and I can see that it is available. Here you can see that Python 3.12.4 gets downloaded. Now we will see how we can install it. Just click on this icon. After double clicking on this, the pop-up will appear which tells installation of Python. Here you have to select the two checkboxes and click on Customize Installation. Then click on Next. Then select the first checkbox and then click on Install. Installation will take place. Here the installation is going on. It will take some time. Here the installation is completed. You can see setup was successful. You can close it now. Hope you understand the installation of Python. In the next video, we will discuss about variables in Python. See you in the next video.